Hi there friends, welcome back to Kids Learning Spot. Today we are going to learn about some amazing reptiles. Are you ready? Let's go. Gecko, gecko, iguana, iguana, tortoise, tortoise, Komodo dragon, Komodo dragon, horned lizard, horned lizard, Gila monster, Gila monster, desert tortoise, desert tortoise, sidewinder snake, sidewinder snake, bearded dragon, bearded dragon, sand boa, sand boa, Euromastics, Euromastics, thorny devil, thorny devil, Mojave rattlesnake, Mojave rattlesnake, Egyptian cobra, Egyptian cobra, green anole, green anole,